My name is Maria Lucia. I'm a Payroll Administrator from Illinois, and I am a DACA recipient. I'm participating in the Winter 2020 California-Mexico Dreamers Study Abroad program, and I have applied for Advance Parole. I applied because, for somebody like myself, this program is an experience of a lifetime. I'll get to see a sister that I have not seen since my childhood, and meet my nieces and nephews, and see my aging father, who I have not seen in 10 years, and I don't know when I'll see again. This is also an opportunity for somebody like myself to obtain answers to questions I've had all my life, like why my parents decided 24 years ago that they would risk their lives and the lives of their 4 children to come illegally into the United States in search of a better life. This is also an opportunity for us 87 dreamers to learn about what it is that Mexico is now doing to protect the citizens and stop them from trying to do the same things that our parents did, endangering their own lives and the lives of their own children trying to cross illegally into the United States. There's also an opportunity for us to learn of ways that we can give back and to ensure that there are less stories in the future, stories like ours, of young adults living in limbo. This is a way for us to help others and pay it forward. And we are asking for your support so that we can safely travel to Mexico and back via Advance Parole and return to the country that we all call home. Thank you.